Welcome to our Making Money Online Fast channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of unusual side hustles that you may not have considered before. In a time when traditional jobs are evolving and the gig economy is booming, it's essential to think outside the box when it comes to generating extra income. This video will explore some unconventional income strategies that can help you boost your earnings without the typical 9-to-5 grind. Have you ever thought about making money by renting out your driveway or selling your old video games? Or perhaps you've considered becoming a professional cuddler or a virtual friend? These are just a few examples of the unique side hustles we'll discuss today. We'll take you through a variety of options that cater to different skills and interests, ensuring there's something for everyone. As we navigate through these unconventional avenues, we'll highlight the importance of exploring fresh ways to make money online quickly. In today's fast-paced world, having multiple income streams can provide financial security and freedom. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a vacation, or simply want some extra cash for fun, these side hustles can be a game changer. So, if you're ready to step outside your comfort zone and discover some creative ways to earn money, stick around. You might just find the perfect side hustle that aligns with your passions and lifestyle. Let's jump in and explore these exciting opportunities together. In today's digital age, the internet has opened up a treasure trove of unconventional online marketplaces where you can sell unique items or services. One of the most popular platforms is Etsy, which caters specifically to handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. If you have a knack for creating jewelry, art, or even custom furniture, Etsy provides a vibrant community eager to support independent creators. Another exciting platform is Redbubble, where artists can upload their designs and have them printed on a variety of products, from t-shirts to phone cases. This allows you to turn your creativity into cash without the hassle of inventory management. The beauty of these platforms is that they encourage you to think outside the box about what you can sell. Have a quirky idea for a product? There's likely a market for it. Let's not forget the inspiring success stories that come from these unconventional marketplaces. Take the example of a young artist who started selling her unique illustrations on Redbubble. Within a year, she turned her side hustle into a full-time career, earning enough to travel the world while doing what she loves. Or consider a couple who turned their passion for woodworking into a thriving Etsy shop, creating custom furniture pieces that have garnered a loyal following. These stories remind us that the possibilities are endless when it comes to selling online. So, if you have a unique product or service in mind, don't hesitate to explore these unconventional marketplaces. You might just find your niche and achieve the success you've always dreamed of. Have you ever thought about tapping into the booming world of niche subscription services? This innovative business model allows you to create curated boxes filled with products tailored to specific interests or hobbies. The beauty of subscription boxes is that they cater to a dedicated audience, making it easier to build a loyal customer base. To get started, the first step is identifying your target audience. Consider what passions or hobbies you're interested in, and research communities around those themes. Are you a fan of gaming, fitness, or perhaps self-care? Once you've pinpointed your niche, you can begin curating products that resonate with your audience. This could include anything from exclusive merchandise to unique items that aren't easily found in stores. Successful subscription services like Loot Crate and FabFitFun have mastered this concept. Loot Crate focuses on geek and gamer culture, delivering themed boxes filled with collectibles, apparel, and exclusive items from popular franchises. On the other hand, FabFitFun offers a lifestyle subscription box that includes beauty, wellness, and fitness products, appealing to those looking to enhance their self-care routine. The key to success in this space is creativity. Think outside the box when selecting themes and products that will excite your subscribers. Whether it's a monthly box dedicated to artisanal snacks or a quarterly collection of eco-friendly products, the possibilities are endless. By tapping into your creativity and understanding your audience, you can create a niche subscription service that not only stands out, but also fosters a community of enthusiastic subscribers eager to receive your curated offerings. In today's digital landscape, the potential for offering virtual classes or experiences online is greater than ever. With the rise of remote learning and the demand for unique experiences, you can turn your skills or hobbies into a profitable venture by hosting virtual workshops. Whether you're an expert in cooking, photography, or even yoga, there's an audience out there eager to learn from you. Platforms like Skillshare and Airbnb Experiences provide excellent opportunities for hosting your workshops. Skillshare allows you to create and share video lessons on a variety of subjects, reaching a global audience of learners. On the other hand, Airbnb Experiences enables you to offer live, interactive sessions that can range from guided tours to creative classes, connecting you with participants who share your interests. To successfully attract participants to your virtual events, it's essential to leverage your unique skills and passions. Think about what you love to do and how you can share that knowledge with others. Once you have your workshop idea, focus on marketing it effectively. Utilize social media platforms to showcase your expertise, share testimonials from past participants, and create engaging content that highlights what attendees can expect. Additionally, consider offering early bird discounts or special promotions to entice signups. Collaborating with influencers or other creators in your niche can also help expand your reach and attract a wider audience. By tapping into the growing demand for virtual experiences and workshops, you can not only share your passion, but also create a rewarding income stream while connecting with people from around the world. In the ever-evolving gig economy, microtasking has emerged as a popular way to earn money quickly and flexibly. Microtasking platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk and TaskRabbit offer a variety of short tasks that can fit into even the busiest schedules. Whether you have a few minutes or a couple of hours to spare, these platforms allow you to choose gigs that suit your availability and skill set. Amazon Mechanical Turk, often referred to as M-Turk, is a marketplace for microtasks that require human intelligence. Tasks can range from data entry and image categorization to surveys and content moderation. On the other hand, TaskRabbit connects you with local individuals who need help with everyday tasks, such as cleaning, moving, or assembling furniture. This platform is perfect for those who prefer hands-on work and enjoy interacting with people in their community. One of the greatest advantages of microtasking is the flexibility it offers. You can select tasks based on your interests and expertise, making it accessible for individuals at various skill levels. Whether you're a tech-savvy individual or someone who enjoys manual labor, there's something for everyone. To maximize your earnings, it's essential to be strategic about the tasks you choose. Focus on high-paying gigs that align with your skills and can be completed efficiently. By prioritizing these tasks, you can significantly increase your hourly rate and make the most of your time. So, if you're looking for a way to earn extra income on your own terms, consider diving into the world of microtasking and explore the opportunities that await you. In today's digital landscape, creative content creation offers exciting opportunities for individuals looking to express themselves and earn money online. Platforms like YouTube and TikTok have revolutionized the way we consume content, allowing creators to share their passions and connect with audiences worldwide. By producing unique and engaging content, you can monetize these platforms and turn your creativity into a sustainable income stream. To get started, it's essential to find your niche. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, fashion, or gaming, identifying a specific area of interest will help you attract a dedicated audience. Once you've established your niche, focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your viewers. This could include tutorials, vlogs, reviews, or even comedic skits. The key is to be authentic and let your personality shine through. Monetization options on platforms like YouTube include ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, while TikTok creators can earn through brand partnerships and the TikTok Creator Fund. As you build your audience, explore these avenues to generate income from your content. However, success in content creation doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is crucial. Regularly posting content keeps your audience engaged and encourages them to return for more. Additionally, actively engaging with your followers through comments, live streams, and social media interactions fosters a sense of community and loyalty. By focusing on your niche, maintaining consistency, and engaging with your audience, you can grow your following and unlock the potential for monetization. So, If you're ready to dive into the world of creative content creation, start brainstorming ideas and take that first step toward sharing your passion with the world. As we wrap up our exploration of unusual side hustles, let's take a moment to summarize the key points discussed in this video. We've delved into a variety of innovative income strategies, from niche subscription services and virtual experiences to micro-tasking and creative content creation. Each of these avenues offers unique opportunities for generating extra income while allowing you to tap into your passions and skills. One of the main takeaways is the importance of thinking outside the box. Whether you're curating a subscription box for a specific interest or offering virtual workshops, there's a world of possibilities waiting for you. Remember, the gig economy is thriving, and by leveraging platforms like Etsy, Skillshare, or TaskRabbit, you can find a side hustle that aligns with your lifestyle and interests. We encourage you to take action and explore these side hustles for yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The journey to financial freedom can be exciting and fulfilling when you pursue what you love. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more unique financial opportunities. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who might also benefit from these innovative income strategies. Together, we can create a community of individuals eager to explore new ways to earn money and achieve their financial goals. Thank you for watching, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.